So kung maka-refer ka ng 40 bucks, that's $240. Pag master pack ka, 35%, that's $7 every box. So pag naka-refer ka ng Infinity, so you will have the commission of $280. But the goal is to become Infinity Pack. Bakit? If you're Infinity Pack, you will enjoy as much as 40% of referral commission. So every box, you will enjoy $8 per box. No? So grabe yan. Lifetime na yan. No? So, and wala tayong demotion. No? So walang maintenance po. Kaya hindi ka na-demote dito. So when you will become an Infinity Pack, you will enjoy the $8 per box. Lifetime na po yan. No? So how about kung maka-refer ka ng Infinity din? No? So Infinity Pack ka, tapos naka-refer ka ng 40 boxes, Infinity. So you will enjoy 8 times 40, that's $320. Wow! So talagang ang laki ng pwede mong i-enjoy dito sa commission. So as your package grows, your referral commission grows also. And the good thing with this, we have a program kung saan kahit nag-umpisa ka lang sa light pack, you have the chance na pwede kang maging Infinity package. Wow, bakit? Paano yon? No? Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo, no? Okay? So binary plan. Okay? So sa binary plan natin, ito yung third way to earn natin, binary plan, yung binary income natin. So siguro some of us here alam na tong yung binary, left and right, no? Every time, because we are computer generated system. So every time mayroong pumasok sa left mo isang box, no? And then sa right mo isang box, then automatically pag na detect ng system yan, you will enjoy the binary bonus. Isa sa left, isa sa right, meron kang $4. So based on the point value, 20 points on the left, 20 points on the right, $4, no? So kung isang box sa left, isang box sa right, $4. Okay? Clear yan? So how about kung core ang nag-join, no? For example, sa kabila mo may nag-join ng core. So meaning to say 2 bucks. So sa right naman 2 bucks, another 2 bucks. So there's 2 match or dalawang pairing bonus yan. So dalawa ding $4. So that's why you enjoy the $8. Sa Pro Pack naman, no? Pro package on the left, 4 na box yan, no? Another 4 na box sa right, so 4 din na bangga. So 4 na $4. So kung sa master is 16 bucks on the left, 16 bucks on the right, 16 boxes or 16 din na nabangga. So pairing bonus, no? So you will enjoy $64. And kung Infinity, 40 bucks on the left, 40 bucks on the right, you will have 40 match or 40 pairs, no? So 40 times 4, that's $160. Paano sir kung light yung sa kabila left, tapos yung sa kabila is Infinity? So isang bangga lang yun, no? Kasi point value naman tayo, yun ang kagandahan. So may bangga pa rin, no? Isang match, no? But the good thing is yung remaining may sobra yan eh. So Infinity is 40 bucks, so nakuna ng isang box, no? So I mean isang match, so the rest you will have the retention, no? So magre-retain yan, kumbaga waiting na naman yan kung may papasok na naman para pairing na naman. So yun ang kagandahan. So wala siyang tapon. Okay? So clear? Yes, no? So ganito siya, no? In summary, for example, ito, if you have if your light package, kung mayroon kang pumasok na na dalawa, okay? So dalawa. So meron kang agad $4 referral, so total $8. So binary bonus is $4. So isang match, okay? So pag mayroon namang dalawa dito sa left, dalawa sa right, so yan. Okay? So meron na namang another match, ito yung match niya. So $4, then another match $4, okay? So then pag may 4 na naman dito, then dito kabila 4, so another 4 match, no? So another 4 match, so meron na naman yang nasa mga another in total of $28, no? And downwards, no? Infinity. Okay? So, binary income potential. So, ito po yung kagandahan. Ito po yung maximum bonus pairing na pwede nating enjoy sa bawat packages na kinuha natin, no? So, if your light package, you could earn as much as $300 or 21,000 in peso, no? Sa core pack naman, you could earn as much as $600 or 40,000 peso. Kung pro pack ka, $3,600 or 252,000 peso. Kung master pack ka, $7,200 or $500,000, no? And Infinity, $12,000 or 840,000 peso. Sir, ang question nito, kailan yan? Monthly ba yan? Or weekly ba yan? So, the good thing, because itong kasi based tayo sa capping, mamaya explain ko, kaya you could earn this one, it could be not just per month, it could be per week, per day, or even per hour or per minute. Yun ang kagandahan. Okay? So, then, ito yung upgrading pa lang, no? Upgrading. What if ang nangyari ngayon is walang new member na nag-encode. But what happened is nag-upgrade lang, no? Yung 50 light on the left, 50 light on the right. So, yung 50 light on the left, 50 light on the right, no? Nag-upgrade kasi may pairing ka niyan, no? Pairing yan, so mayroon kang $200. By the time na nag-upgrade ito from 50 light, naging 50 core on the left, naging 50 core on the right. So, there's another match, no? So, in total accumulation of 400. So, from core, no? Nag-upgrade na naman. So, akit naman yung point value niyan, no? May mga point value na naman na pumasok, no? So, 50 core, naging 50 pro. Then, you will accumulate another income of $800. So, from pro, naging master, 50 master on the left, 50 master on the right, 3,200. Then, until such time na naging infinity, infinity on the left, infinity on the right, $8,000. So, meaning to say, nag-upgrade lang. Lahat ng mga leaders mo, nag-upgrade lang. And, dahil based tayo sa capping, yun talaga ang possible na mangyari, no? Lahat ng mga down the lines or mga leaders mo under you, as they grow their business, as they grow their network, walang ibang mangyayari kundi mag-upgrade talaga sila. Okay? So, how to upgrade your account, no? Ganito siya. Okay? Kasi based tayo sa capping, no? Okay. It goes like this, no? For example, light account ka, no? So, kung light account ka, okay? Kung light account ka, no, 10% from overall bonus will be automatically deducted for your upgrade or capping or repurchase mo, no? So, every earning, every kita mo, like sa referral mo, sa binary mo, no? Like for example, kumita ka ng referral na $4, 10% of that will be segregated, no? Kumbaga, automatically deducted yan papunta sa income cap mo. By the time na yung income cap mo, no, nag-accumulate na ng $30, what you will do is, kasi nag-reach ka na ng yung maturity, no, $30, no? What you will do is to click that one. So, mag-pop up na yan sa system. So, you need to click that one. So, the time na mag-click ka nito, syempre, of course, meron kang isang box. And the good thing with this, from light account, pag na-click mo yung $30, you will upgrade to core account. And this time around, pag core account ka na, yung referral bonus mo, magiging $5 per box na. And of course, syempre, si upline, ma-enjoy. Bakit? No? Talagang gugustuhin ni upline na mag-income cap ka. Dahil every time mag-income cap ka, every time mag-upgrade ka, si upline, aakyat din sa kanya yung referral bonus at saka yung kung nasa week leg yan, mayroon pang pairing bonus. Okay? So, yun ang nangyayari. Okay? So, from core, mayroon ka na naman na you need to have a 60 cap na naman, no? So anyway, it will just deducted, no? It's up to you din, no? Kung gusto mong dumiretso mag-upgrade, pwede naman, no? Or kung gusto mong unti-untiin, no? Yung sa income mo, hindi ka na magpalabas, pwede rin. So ito yung mangyayari, no? So sa income cap, pag na 60 na yan, accumulate na yan, what you will do is i-click mo na naman yan. Then this time around, you will enjoy 2 products. So mayroon kang 2 product na makukuha. Then your account will be upgraded to Pro account. So pag Pro account ka na, this time $6 na every referral mo. And the good thing, si Upline naman, every time mag-upgrade ka, papasok naman yung referral bonus. Wow! So kung nasa weak leg ka, pairing na naman siya. So same pa rin, no? From Pro, naging Master account na, until such time na naging Infinity account na. So yun ang kagandahan. So si Upline, every time mag-upgrade ka, ma-enjoy ni Upline yung referral bonus mo. So whether you like it or not, as you build your network, lahat ng mga like packages na nag-entry sa iyo, as they grow their business, no, as they upgrade, you will enjoy the repeat referral bonus. Kumbaga, paulit-ulit na mga referral bonus. Yon ang kagandahan. So tulungan ito, no? Okay? So next, repurchase program. Okay? Sa repurchase program, ito naman yung ano natin, yung fourth way turn. This is a unique kumbaga program we have because in other companies they use the unilevel, no? Mayroon silang tawag mga unilevel yung program nila. But here we prepare to have this repurchase program. Bakit, no? So syempre sa nakikita namin as per experience din, no? Talagang medyo kung sa unilevel medyo maliit na lang yung kinikita, no? 5 peso, 10 peso per product. So dito, whereas dito mas ma-enjoy mo agad-agad dahil we believe, no, na syempre sa takbo ng panahon ngayon, every moves we have, no, talagang need natin ng extreme of income talaga. Okay? So ito yung mangyayari. Okay. So like for example, ikaw Infinity account ka, no? So kung Infinity account ka, no? So every time repurchase ka, kasi sa dashboard mo tatlo yan eh. Pag mag-add ka ng new member, so who will enjoy the referral bonus is the upline. Pag may mag-add ka ng new member. On the second one is yung capping. Pag capping naman, lahat ng sponsor doon, syempre, ma-enjoy naman ni upline. Pero, pag ang i-click mo doon is repurchase, kung may code ka, no, may code ka, pero i-click mo doon is repurchase, so, ito yung mangyayari. Yung referral bonus, instead mapupunta kay upline, pupunta sa iyo, personal mo. Okay? So, repurchase, like for example, Infinity account ka, nag-repurchase ka ng light package, so, of course, every box, no, since 8 Infinity ka, you will enjoy the $8. So, yung $8, pag encode mo sa repurchase, papasok sa personal account mo yan, $8. The good thing is, ito yung kagandahan. Kasi, ang question, ano yung i-enjoy ni upline? Since, pag encode mo, papasok yung 20 point value sa'yo, sa sarili mo, syempre, kung nasa weak leg ka ni upline, aakyat yung point value, syempre may match si upline. And ang kagandahan doon, what if lahat ng mga under you, no, kung ikaw yung si upline, lahat ng mga members under you, pag nag-repurchase yan, pag nasa weak leg yan, automatic may bangga ka, no? So redundant binary. So yung iba kasi by the way, mayroon yung policy natin sa company, we have this 3 account policy, no? So 3 account policy. So what if you want to maximize the income? Okay? Like for example, yung account mo is Infinity, so you don't need to, ito iniiwasan natin na mag-encode pa ng maraming account, mga dami. So dito ang gawin mo lang is you just look at your left or right kung sino yung weak leg. So doon ka lang mag-repurchase. So ito ang nangyayari. Like example, Infinity account, no? So pag strong leg nito is 10,000 PB. So sa account 3. Then dito sa kabila is weak leg 0 PB. So what you will do, syempre kung mayroon kang repurchase, no, nag-repurchase ka ng isang Infinity, grabe, pang rolling mo, no, isang Infinity package, so i-encode mo ngayon sa weak leg mo. By the time na repurchase mo yan, i-encode mo, aakyat ngayon yung referral bonus sa main account mo, that's $320.